If you ever heard someone say the word chelator and wondered what the heck it meant, stick around because today we're going to look at what it is, how it works, and why they're so useful. Generally speaking, chelators are a class of chemical compounds that form stable complexes with metal ions. They play a key role in many fields, including medicine, environmental science, and manufacturing, where they serve a variety of uses. For example, in removing toxic metals from blood, removing metal contamination from the environment, and even to support cleaning of metal parts. Now, the word chelation is derived from the Greek word chele, meaning claw. That's because different parts of the chelator molecule wrap around and form bonds with the metal ion, essentially trapping it in its grip. They end up forming ring-like structures that can be separated from the solution. In this way, chelators can be very useful for purification of liquids. Now, chemically speaking, there are many types of chelators. For example, there are organic chelators, which are organic molecules like EDTA, inorganic chelators like zeolites, and even biochelators, like certain enzymes, proteins, or polysaccharides. And your choice of chelator is going to be highly dependent on your application. Now, I mentioned that there are many different applications for chelators. For example, in chelation therapy for heavy metal poisoning like lead and mercury, or in water treatment and pollution control. Today, though, I wanted to focus on the use of chelators for metal ion control in manufacturing and cleaning processes. In many manufacturing processes, particularly those involving electronics, pharmaceuticals, and chemicals, the presence of metal ions can lead to contamination, affecting product quality and consistency. Chelators are used to bind and neutralize unwanted metal ions, such as iron, copper, calcium, and magnesium, that could otherwise catalyze undesirable reactions or cause deposits. This is especially important in processes like electroplating, where metal ion control is crucial for achieving consistent coatings. For cleaning applications, because of their ability to hang on to metal ions like magnesium and calcium, they can prove very useful in removing scale or other surface deposits. In summary, chelators are a broad class of chemical compounds that help aid in trapping and removing metal ions for purification or cleaning purposes. Alright, if you like that content, make sure to hit the like button. You can also subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of future videos. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, or you can send an email to AskDrAdam@KYZEN.com. Thanks again, and stay clean.